Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the simple server charm, which is basically a hello world example for the Go binary layer. The Go binary layer looks for a named file in the files directory of your charm. It will write an upstart file for it, and when the charm starts it will start the binary. Now it's called Go binary because it's aimed at Go binaries which are statically compiled, but it will work equally well with any statically compiled binary. So here's an example server. As you can see, it doesn't really do much, but now that the binary is written, the process of turning it into a charm will be easy, so let's give it a go. Now we're going to create our directory where the Go binary example is going to live. So I'm just cloning the simple server charm, which is basically a hello world example for the Go binary layer. You see in the metadata it just provides a website relation. You can just change that as you like. The important part is the gobinary.yaml file here, where we named the binary that we want to run when the charm starts, and in files this is where it looks for that file. So we're just going to remove the existing one, and we can see what the server code looks like. So we're going to change our message just to prove that it's all working. And we're going to build that and output the server file, and that's a file that our Go binary is going to look for. The gobinary.yaml was looking for a file called server in this directory, and now we're going to just build this layer into a charm. Something I forgot to show you is what the hooks look like, because we didn't actually need to change anything in there. So let's just going to have a quick look. So we didn't need to change anything, but we can see that we know that our server was listening on port 8080. So here we just open port 8080 when the server has started. You can see this on line 9, and we set the status to active and ready on line 10. And then the next function, configure website, is just configuring it, just telling HAProxy that we're going to be listening on 8080. So let's go and deploy that now. So you can see it's deployed. It's not yet exposed, but it's deployed there with an address and on 8080. So we're going to expose that now. So we should be able to access it. Go to that address and 8080, and we should see our response. There we go. Hello there. And because we configure ourselves with the website relation, we can now deploy HAProxy. And once that is deployed, we're going to add the relation between HAProxy and simple server charm. And remember in the hooks there, when that relation was joined, we were going to tell HAProxy we were listening on 8080. So HAProxy will know to forward requests to us. Okay, so we need to expose HAProxy. We add the relation. We're going to watch it now so we can see when the relation is set up. There we go, you can see HA Proxy is now listening on port 80. So let's go to port 80 on the HA Proxy unit. And there we are, we're getting forwarded to our simple server charm. If you want to create your own charm based on the Go binary layer, you could start by cloning this repo and making the necessary changes, or you could just start from scratch.